What are you, cold?
No.
I see you doing this. It's 70 degrees out. Like,
Because it's my first time here. I get nervous when it comes to, like...
you get nervous when you come to court?
Yeah, it's my first time.
Oh, this is your first time in court? Oh.
Yeah.
So far, how you doing? Okay? So far?
Yeah.
Oh, I think today is overnight parking day, Inspector Quinn. Yanel has 4 overnight parking tickets, all at the same location. So what do you want to tell me about these,
I just want to know if I'm able to pay, like, in October, because I start my job on October 5th, and my car isn't registered, so I wasn't able to get, like, the permit sticker yet, because my car gets registered in November.
What do you do for work? Are you working?
No, not yet. I'm going to be working at Santander's on October 5th.
And what did you do? What was your last job?
Walmart.
You worked at Walmart. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. You're in sales. Are you a good salesperson?
Yeah.
You're going to work at a bank now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
At Santana?
Yes.
Yeah. You're going to be what? You're going to be chief operating officer? What are you going to do?
Customer service, taking
See, she's
calls.
got a good person. All of a sudden, we got it to smile, Inspector Quinn. Like, what
I'm
type?
gonna smile a little more and give me the keys to the vault. Let's work on that one.
All right. These overnight parking tickets, is this because you did not have a parking spot? I mean, is that an area where you live?
Yeah, like, it's, like, very full, so it's, like, I have to park outside on the streets.
Do you have a parking spot now?
No, like, once I get my car registered, I'm going to get the sticker for it.
The fines are $200 now because they all tripled. And I'm going to fine you $20. I'm going to fine you for one of these tickets. And I'm going to give you all the time you need to pay it. Like, who do you live with? You live with your parents? You live alone? You live with
It's just me and my daughter. We rent a
your
place.
daughter?
Mm-hmm.
You have a young daughter? How old is she?
10 months.
10 months? And it's just you and she?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's her name?
Camila.
Oh, well, we can't let you pay $20 because then, I don't know, maybe when you go home tonight, you need some food for the baby. And if you pay $20 here, maybe you won't be able to afford the food. So I'm not going to do that. We have to take the baby into consideration, Inspector Quinn. And right now, she's like between a rock and a hard place. She wants to buy the parking pass, and she can't because the registry isn't accommodating those right now, right? And she's looking to do that, and she doesn't have a job, but she's got a little baby. So,
And I can't take care of a 10-month-old, Judge. I know I can't do that, so.
but there are a whole bunch of things you can do. So what is it? You're completely broke? You are completely broke? Is that it? You have nothing?
Nothing.
Yeah, your story really touches me, okay? So, I mean, you only have one child? Yeah. Well, I guess you have a lot of challenges being a single mom, right? What's the biggest challenge?
Taking care of the baby alone at night.
So you're dedicated to the baby. That's your first
Yeah.
and primary focus in life, taking care of that little baby. And that's the right, not that there's a right or wrong answer, but that answer is the right answer because it shows where your mind is and where your heart is and where it should be, too. Okay. There were an awful lot of generous people in this country, and we are on, we are on social media and we are on television, and people throughout the world see what happens in this courtroom, and they send in contributions voluntarily and ask me to give them to people I think, to use them toward people who I think are worthy, and you certainly are. So I have a gentleman actually from Eustis, Florida, by the name of Gary Ashcraft, and he sent in $25 and said, please use this to help a single mom who's doing everything she can to help her children, and that's you. So I'm going to use that $25 to pay for your ticket. But I'm going to do a little bit more than that. I mean, since you came in broke today, you have an awful lot of people who send in some money here, so I don't want you leaving here today and not having enough money to take care of your baby. So I am going to, from the generosity of people from throughout the country who have sent in cash, I am going to give you $50 in cash for you to use to take care of your baby.
Thank you.
Okay? And you put that to good use.
Thank you so much.
Inspector Quinn. You getting emotional. You got
Thank you, guys.
anything you want to say to the person who sent in that money?
I want to say thank you so much, and I really do appreciate it. And, I want to do what he does, sending money to help other people, too, when I get the chance.
I'm so happy you said that, because I was just about to say, there's a condition attached to this, and the condition is, I know that someday things are going to be real good for you, and that you have to give back and help somebody else, which I know you're going to do, right? So that's your part of the deal. Take care of that little baby and help somebody when you get a chance. Good luck.